Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, say something in the comments so that I know it's working. Hi, Ling. Can everybody hear me? Good afternoon, everybody. If you can hear me, write it down in the comment section. Hi, I see Sun Yue. Okay, when you are here, please say hi and then tell me your name, especially if you don't use your own name. Who is bionic? Heaven or heaved? Okay, you're on way in, all right. Okay, we have 8 people in the room right now. I'll wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. Anybody want to come up here and show your face? Anybody want to come up here and show your face? Let me know either in the comment section or let me know in the WhatsApp group. Okay? Let me know in the comment section or let me know in the WhatsApp group so that I can bring you up here. Anybody want to come up? Hi, Harris, I see you. Okay, remember to say hi so that I can take attendance. Okay, remember to say hi so that I can take attendance. Dashno say YouTuber watching YouTuber. Who's YouTuber here? Anybody is YouTuber here? Don't be shy. If you want to say hi, you can come up here and say hi. Okay, Dua Biru, anybody? Oh, Shai went. All right, let me take attendance. So we have Dashno, we have Ling, we have Nazira. Okay, if you're a YouTuber, would you like to come up? Weirn, would you like to come up and say hi to everybody? Who else? Who else is here? Harris, I see Harris. Okay, soon. Jaslyn is here too. Jaslyn. Anybody else? Okay. Okay, we earn. I will send you an invite on WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, you will see another WhatsApp number. I will send you an invite. Click on it. And I will get you up here on the stage. Okay. Who is Anson? Are you Yu Yanbin? Who is Anson? Okay, I see Ko Jinin. Who else? I haven't take your name. Gun. Hidayah. Okay. Okay, King Yongjing is also here. Good. No, you don't have to change your account. You just have to let me know who you are. Okay, On Wei En is here.
Oh, okay. What?
Just say hi to your friend.
Oh, hello. Long time no see, classmates.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see the chat.
Can you all see Wei En? Anybody want to come up here? Anyone else want to come up here? Elbow cough, national. Okay. All right. Thank you, Wei En. I will let you go out now. We will start our lesson first. At the end of the lesson, if we have time, I will let you all come up. Okay? All right, Wei
Okay.
En, I'll take you out first. All right, Wei En, you can go out of the studio now. Please go back to YouTube. Wei En, close your studio. Okay. Okay, Gan W Boon, who are you? Are you Gan and Sang? Okay. Hi, Faisal. All right, Faisal is here. I'm taking attendance right now. If I have not say your name, please let me know so that I know you are here. We will start in about 1 minute. Okay, we will start in about 1 minute. Before I start, please remember I need your pencil box. I need you to have at least 1 or 2 pieces of papers if you want to write down notes. Okay. 3, I need you to have your textbook with you. And finally, please come happy. I need a big smile. Okay, can everyone see the screen? If you can see the screen, type 1 in the comment section. Type 1 in the comment section. Can you see the screen? If you can see the screen, type 1 in the comment section. Oh, nobody can see the screen. Can you guys see the screen? Dua biru? Okay, good job. I see all the 1 now. All right, we will begin. Okay, so in the class, if you have a question or you have a comment, okay, if you want to share anything, you can type it in our WhatsApp group, okay, or you can PM me in WhatsApp, or you can type it in the WhatsApp session, okay. You can type it in the WhatsApp session. Leon, I see you. Okay. So if I don't see it, I did not respond. I will respond later, either here in YouTube or I will respond in the group chat. Okay. And also you need to stay with me until this whole session ends. Okay. We need to be here until we finish the class. Don't leave YouTube until we finish. Okay. Why? Because at the end of the class, I will take attendance again. Okay, if you are not here at the end of the class, that means you did not come. I will think that you only come here for 1 minute and then you leave. Okay. Well, you can plug in your phone if your battery is down. All right, are we ready? Okay, so today we are going into chapter 7, electricity and magnetism. All right, chapter 7, electricity and magnetism. Okay, so in the first section of this chapter, we will focus on electricity. Later on in the chapter only, we will look at magnet. All right, so our lesson objective today, we want to describe and communicate about energy, explain and communicate the existence of electrostatic charges, explain with examples electrostatic in daily life. All right, so success criteria, these are the points that you want to be extra attentive when I talk about it. Okay, when we talk about what is the meaning of energy, you need to be able to give me 3 examples for the forms of energy and 2 examples for the sources of energy. You will need it, okay, later in the session. Okay, I can differentiate between proton and electron. What is a proton and what is electron? I can explain and give 2 daily life examples of electrostatic charges. Okay, so you need to be able to give me those examples. All right, why you'll find out later. Okay, and also if you can do all these three, that means you are successful in today's class. All right, so number one, draw me a picture. Okay, when I mention the word electric, what can you see in your head? What can you see in your mind? Draw the picture on a piece of paper. Okay, draw the picture on a piece of paper. What appeared in your mind when someone mentioned the word electric? After you have drawn the picture, okay, snap a picture and put it in our WhatsApp group. Show it to me in our WhatsApp group. Draw a picture that appeared in your mind when someone mentioned the word electric. Okay? Take a picture of your drawing and send it to our WhatsApp group. I'm waiting for you. So far, nobody sent it in yet. Okay? All right. Let me show you guys what Dashno has. All right. Okay, so here are some pictures. We have lightning as well. Oh, someone draw a light bulb anymore. Okay, Faisal said battery, draw a battery and send it to the WhatsApp group so that I can show everybody what you're drawing. Oh. Okay, we have more coming. Okay. Oh, right. Oh, somebody draw a socket. Okay, one of you draw a torchlight. All right, very good. So when the word electric is mentioned, okay, a lot of you have different idea. You see different thing in your head, but most of your picture has to do with energy, right? So most of your pictures has to do with energy. Okay, so we want to know what is electric. We must first learn what is energy, because electric is a form of energy. Okay, don't worry, Yongjing, I think you did well. Okay, so first, what is energy? All living things on earth need energy. Okay, anything that is alive needs energy. Okay, anything that is alive needs energy. Okay, so a moving vehicle, even a car that is moving needs energy. A light bulb, okay, your lights, okay, the fan or your aircon, all of that need energy. Okay, even when a cat is sleeping, the cat still needs energy. So what is energy? Okay, what is energy? Mark this. This is very important. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Okay, you have the ability to work. And then you say the cat is sleeping. The cat is not even working. How come the sleeping cat still needs energy? When the cat is sleeping, inside the cat's body, okay, it is still working. Okay, the cat's heart is still pumping. The cat is still breathing. So all of this need energy. All right, so energy, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Okay, and you need to also remember what is the unit. The SI unit of energy, it is joule. If you write the whole word joule, it needs to be small letter J. But if you want to use the symbol J only, then it must be capital letter. Okay, SI unit for energy is joule. So you can measure the energy. How much energy is released? Okay, 400 joule, for example. Okay, so the unit for energy is joule. And the meaning of energy is the ability to do work. Okay, so that's very important. Now, what is the uses and needs of energy? We have talked about this in our Google Classroom, okay, a few weeks ago. All right, Hua Zijun, I see you. I will put your attendance in. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, so the uses and the needs of energy. People use energy to run. Okay, secondly, plants need energy from the sun to continue living. Cars need energy from fuel to move. Okay, I'm sorry, something is blocking your view. All right. And finally, the light from the bulb is produced by energy. Here are a few examples, and all of you know this because you've done your Google Classroom work. All right, so different forms of energy. Okay, energy cannot be created or destroyed. Okay, you cannot create energy, and you cannot make one energy disappear. But energy can change from one form to another form. So for example, there's a plate of food in front of me. That in the food there is energy. I eat it now, energy disappear? No, it just changed into a different form in my body. Okay, so energy can change from one form to another form. Okay, so for example, a few examples of the different forms of energy. Okay, so what do you mean, teacher? There are many forms of energy. We are going to look at a few forms of energy. Kinetic energy, anything that moves is kinetic energy. Okay, anything that moves is kinetic energy. And elastic potential energy, this is when you have something that you can stretch. Okay, elastic like rubber band, arrow. Gravitational potential energy, if something is up on the sky or there is a height from the Earth's surface, then you have potential gravitational energy. Okay, nuclear energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy, and finally electrical energy. So we are learning electricity in this chapter. Okay, so what are some of the sources of energy? What are some of the sources of energy? You have the sun, geothermal. Geothermal and sources of energy means where does all this energy come from? Okay, sumber tenaga. Sumber dia dari mana? Okay, where does all this energy come from? All right, we have a few sources here. The sun, you know the sun. Geothermal is something like hot spring, energy or heat that comes from the center of the earth. All right, and then water, biomass, fossil fuel. Fossil fuel is like petroleum, okay, natural gas, radioactive substance, wave, and wind. Here are all the sources of energy. So now I will give you your first mission. Mission number 1. Okay, please write down the definition of energy. What is the meaning of energy? Number 2, list down 3 forms of energy. And number 3, list down 2 sources of energy on the piece of paper that I asked you to get ready earlier. Go. Write it down. Okay, write down the answer for these 3 questions. And I need you to take a picture of your answer and then send it to me privately. Do not send it in the group chat. Send it to me privately. Okay? No need to copy the questions. Just send me the answer privately. You can write it down or you can actually type it to me too. If you don't want to write it down, you can type it to me in a private text. What is the definition of energy? What is the meaning of energy? 3 forms of energy and 2 sources of energy. Hua Zijun, you can also write it down and then take a picture and send it to me later. Okay? The rest of you, I need you to send it to me now. That is also your attendance, yeah? Anybody who did not send me the answer, that means you are not in class. All right, Dashno, I got your answer. How about number 2 and number 3? I got your answer. Okay, good. Okay, I got 4 person handing in already. The rest of you, those of you who has already handed in, let me know if you want to come up here and say hi to everybody. Only after you hand in, okay? Only after you hand in, you can come up. Anyone want to come up on the camera? Okay, for those of you who forgot what I say, You can check your textbook. The answer can be found in page 142 and 143. Page 142 and 143, pay attention to the red color word if you're looking for the definition of energy. Anyone else? Okay, those who wanna come up, just WhatsApp me. WhatsApp me. Don't tell me here. WhatsApp me, and I'll teach you how to come out. As we earn, it's very easy. The rest of you are all shy. Those who already hand in your word, you can come up if you want. Okay, I'm starting to get a lot more answer. Okay, I give you last 2 minutes. All right, Faisal is here. Faisal, say hi to everyone.
Hi everyone.
How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Anyone else want to come and join us while waiting for your friend? Okay, 30 more seconds and I will discuss the answer.
Can, can I can I go out now?
Okay, sure. All right, I'll discuss the answer now. So what is the definition of energy? Just now we say energy. What is energy? Ability to do work. Okay, the definition of energy is the ability to do work. How about the form of energy? Any of this is correct. Kinetic energy, elastic potential energy, gravitational potential energy, nuclear energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy, and electrical energy. How about the sources of energy? Any of this is correct too. The sun, geothermal, water, biomass, fossil fuel, any of this is correct. All right, so now let's go to the next one. Have you ever played this? Okay, how come the baby's hair is standing up? Anybody know the answer? Type it in the comment. Why do you think the baby's hair is standing up? And do you know how to make that baby's hair to stand up? Type it in the comment section if you know why and how. Anyone in the comment section? Why is the baby hair standing up? How come the hair is standing up? Nobody? All right. So the balloon, if you have ever tried this before, you can get a balloon and then rub it on your body, on a piece of cloth or on the carpet, or even at your house, use the curtain of your house, rub it, and then put it on your brother's or little sister's hair, and the hair will stand out. Why? Okay, why? Oh, yes. Cause of static energy, Dashno, yes. Okay, Dashno say because of static energy. All right, and then we say use the balloon and scrub it on the baby's hair. Yes, you can actually use the balloon and rub it on the hair as well. And then take it up and the hair will stand up. That's true. Okay, so that is just like Dashno said. Cause of static energy, we want to talk about electrostatic. Okay, what is static energy or what is electrostatic? Okay, some people call it the statics. Okay, the static electric, the static electricity. What does that mean? Electro means electricity. Static means not moving. Okay, it's still, it stays still, it's not moving. Electric current, current means it's flowing, it's moving. This electric, they don't move, it's static. Okay, that's why in Chinese we say 静电, right? Electrostatic. Everyone, you need to remember this word, okay? This is the new word that is very important for this next session. Electrostatic. All right, let me. All right, sorry, some technical issue here. All right, so I will show you a short video clip. All right, and let's see what happened. All right, can you see the screen?
Чё он приклеился к тебе?
Okay, what happened to the cat? What happened to the cat? Okay, if you rub the balloon and then put the balloon on the cat, it will be stuck on the cat's body. It will be stuck on the cat's body. Okay, so let me bring you back up my slide. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. Okay, so how did the balloon get stuck on the cat's body? How did the balloon get stuck on the cat's body? How did that happen? Don't get stuck on the cat's body. Anyone? Yeah, it's something about the electrostatic. Okay, so let's see. What is electrostatic charges? Yes, they can rub the balloon to the cat, or they can actually rub the balloon. Okay, they can actually rub the balloon on a carpet first. Okay, so what is electrostatic charges? Electrostatic charges is actually transfer of electric charges between our body and the doorknob or trolley that has static electric charges. That means actually electrostatic, the electric charges is already in our body and it starts jumping around. Okay, these static charges are known as electrostatic charges. Okay, electric charges, there are two types, the proton and the electron. The proton is positive and the electron is negative. Okay, positive charges is also known as proton and negative charges is known as electron. Okay, and you need to remember the same kind of charges, they will push each other away. All right, same charges repel each other. So if proton and proton come together, they will repel. Okay, they'll push each other away. If electron and electron come together, they will also push each other away. How about a proton and an electron come together? The opposite charges will actually attract each other. Okay, the opposite, if one proton and one electron come together, they will attract each other. So how did the hair stand up then? What does that has to do with the charges of electric? Okay, so you need to understand, on the first picture here, it's a little small, I'm sorry, but the first picture here, the number of proton is more than electron. Look at the blue one. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 blue protons and 2 electrons. So you have more proton than electrons. That means the first picture, the first picture on your left, the pink color, that one is positively charged. If you look at the middle one, so you have 7 electrons, 3, 4, 5, 5 protons. So you have more electrons compared to proton. So that means this middle one, the green one, is negatively charged. Okay, and the last one, you see you have 5 protons and 5 electrons. So it is equal. That means it is neutral. and all atoms, everything has protons and electrons. All atoms has protons and electrons. So while diagonal there acts as magnet, it's very similar, but they do not act as magnet. Magnet is a completely different. Okay, um, so what happens is when you rub the balloon on a carpet, or you rub the balloon on a hair or your t-shirt, the electron, okay, the electron from your hair or from the carpet, okay, will jump to the balloon. It will transfer. And you need to remember, proton cannot move. The positive charge cannot move. They always stay. Only electron can move. Only the negative charges is free to move around. So the electron from the carpet will move to the balloon. So now that means the balloon has a lot more electron. They start receiving electron from the carpet. If you rub the balloon on the carpet is neutral, the balloon is neutral in the beginning. So they both have equal amount of proton and electron. Same proton and electron in the carpet, same proton, number of proton and electron in the balloon. But then when you rub it together, the balloon and the carpet together, the electron from the carpet suddenly move. They leave the carpet. That makes the carpet become positive because now carpet lost electron. No more electron, getting less and less. So the carpet become a lot of proton. Okay, it become positive. But the balloon now receive, it get a lot of gifts from the carpet. They get a lot of electron from the carpet. Now the balloon is negative. So if the balloon is negative, you bring it to the hair and your hair has positive and negative. The positive side of the hair will start to be attracted to the balloon. Just like we said just now, the different charges, positive and negative, they will attract each other, pull together. So now, because the balloon you have negative and your hair, originally there's positive and negative, the positive side will be attracted to the balloon. That's why the hair can stand up. Okay, so those are electrostatic. How come the hair can stand up? Okay, that's electrostatic charges. Okay, in our natural environment every day, actually we have a lot of examples of electrostatic. One of the example is lightning. How come there's lightning? How does lightning happen? Okay, it's actually electrostatic as well. All right, it's actually electrostatic as well. So what happened is the cloud, okay, the cloud, when they are moving in the air, they actually rub against the air. There is friction with the air. And the upper part of the cloud become positively charged. And then the bottom part of the cloud is negatively charged. And that makes the cloud very negative at the bottom. Okay, the cloud becomes charged up. Okay, the cloud becomes charged up from the air. The electron might jump to the cloud as well. And the earth become positively charged. And what happened is from the cloud, the negative electron will leave. It will jump to the earth. Okay, the negative charges in the clouds attracted to the positive charges on the surface of the earth. And when that happens, you see lightning. Okay, when that happens, you see lightning. Okay, so what if you look at tall buildings, normally you can see this two little things, or one, sometimes it's only one metal rod standing up. That is actually called a lightning conductor. What does it mean? Okay, this thing is installed to buildings so that if the lightning strike the building, it will strike the conductor. Okay, the conductor will then bring the electric, okay, bring the electric charges and then bring it down to the ground. Or else, if you do not have this lightning conductor, the electric charges will charge up the building and the building can catch on fire. All right, and it's very dangerous. This will protect the building from being struck by lightning. All right, next, I'm sure a lot of you has experienced this before. In the morning when you get up from your bed and you try to open your room door and your hands get shocked. Okay, your hands get shocked by the doorknob. That is also electrostatic charges. Okay, sometimes you are in your blanket, your body is rubbing against the bed sheets or your blanket, and it is your finger or your body is actually charged up. So when you touch the doorknob, there is a sparks. You feel the shock. All right. And I'm sure a lot of people experience this before. You go Tesco, you're pushing the trolley cart, or when you try to touch the trolley cart, okay, and you feel the shock. Yes, you can type down your question. Yes, Yongjing, that's right. That's right. Okay, so when you go shopping, the cart is called the shopping cart. You can get shocked because when you are walking, especially in the shopping in Tesco, okay, you can get the electron jumping from your body to the trolley or from trolley to your body. That is the shock. And then we ask why when I go to Tesco, I accidentally touch someone, I will get shocked. Same thing. When you are walking, your body is actually having friction with the air, okay, in Tesco. So then your body get charged up. And then your friends might not get charged up, or your friends might not get charged up. And when you walk past them, your body is already charged up. The electron would tend to run away. Okay, or your friend get charged up. So that's how you get the electrostatic, okay, from your friend. Okay, another thing I would like to tell you is when you are sitting in a moving car, your body or the car is actually also can have static. Okay, your body can also have static. So sometimes when you try to open the car, you get shocked as well. When you try to open the car door, you get shocked as well. So what is very important for you all to remember and tell your parents as well is when you want to put petrol in your car, you want to go buy gas or petrol and fill up your car, okay? First thing, try to touch the body of the car first before you pump petrol. When you leave the car, touch the body of the car. So if you are already charged up, you will discharge. Okay, you want to remove all the charges from your body before you actually pump the petrol. If somebody is pumping the petrol already, someone is pumping petrol, all of you sitting in the car, do not open the car door and come out or come in. Just stay until they finish pumping, okay? Then only you open. Okay, because when you put petrol in your car, there is some vapor. That means some of the gas, the petrol already evaporate is in the air. And if you have the electrostatic charges, the sparks can cause explosion. Okay, the charges, the sparks, the little spark that you feel, if it meets up with the petrol, very important. Okay. All right, we say one time I go to my mom's workplace, I was checking someone's hand and I can see the lightning shock me. Yep. You can actually see those little sparks, and this little spark is very, very dangerous, especially in petrol station. Okay, so that's one thing I want you to take note of. Okay, tiga siang saya negatively charged can move. Yes, the negative charges can move. The positive one cannot move. The negative charge is also called electron. Okay, the negative charge is also called electron. Okay. So, any question? Any question? Okay. There is some, sorry everybody. Let me try to share screen with you one more time. Am I still here? Okay, any question? If you are still here, if you are still listening, please type 1. Please type 1 in the comment section if you are still listening. Okay, very good. All right, we're coming to an end. Okay, another thing is if you have ever tried to clean your TV screen, you try to wipe it, okay, you can see that it will start collecting dust very quickly. Okay, you just clean it, the next day it's dusty again. That is because the TV screen, okay, the negative charges on the dust will be attracted to the positive charges on the TV screen. All right, so how do you solve that? You can buy some kind of anti-electrostatic, the the microfiber cloth. Those clothes are normally anti-electrostatic. The material will help it do not get dusty too quickly. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna teach today. Okay, before you leave, if you are watching this on your computer, okay, you can use your phone to scan the QR code and fill up the forms. If not, you can copy this down and then fill up the form, or I will put it in the comment. Okay. So it's on the comment section. Click on it and fill up the form and then click submit. That is also your attendance. Okay. Fill up the forms. Fill up the form and let me know you are here. So if you did not fill up, that means you did not come to class today. Okay, fill up the form and then click submit. If any one of you finish and you wanna come up to the screen, you can just click the link that I put on the comment. Okay? Let me check how many of you has already filled up the form. Okay. Okay. Jaslyn already filled in. Very good. The rest of you, please fill up the form. Siti Nazira, thank you. If you have already filled up the form, you can leave the YouTube. Thank you for coming and thank you everybody. Oh, if you click the form and you cannot fill in, some of you send me the text and say it say you need permission. That is because you did not use your MOE account. You need to use your Google Classroom account. You need to use your Google Classroom account. You need to use your MOE link, okay? If you finish, you can leave the YouTube channel now. I will wait for 1 more minute and then I will end this broadcast, okay? I will end this session. If you have question, you can ask your question. If you have any question, you can ask. You're welcome, Nazira. Okay. Tiket Sian, Ong Wei En, Nazira, Jaslyn, I already got your form. Very good. The rest of you, please fill it up. If you don't have any more questions, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Okay. Good job, everyone, for coming into class today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the WhatsApp. You can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, Sun Yuesi, I got your form. Haris, I got your form. All right, that's all for today. Good job, Dashno. Yep, I got your form, Dashno, King Yonjing, and Hidayah. Oh, Tika Siang wanna come up. Hi, Tika Siang.
Hi.
Anyone else wanna come up? Tika Siang, how do you feel today? How are you today? He is frozen. Anyone else want to come up? If not, I will end this now. Anyone want to come up? I count down from 5. Tikyasen is frozen. Dashno, come. Just come. How to come up? Okay, you did not see the... Okay, Dashno, click on this one. Oh, yesterday was Wei En's birthday. Happy birthday, Wei En. How did you celebrate? Okay, Dikasyan is back. And he is frozen again. Faisal is here. Hi, Faisal. Anyone else want to come up? Come. Hi, Faisal. How are you? Cool.
Teacher, can I write for the summation? I can write rubbing on carpet. It will make electrostatic.
What's that? I can't hear you.
No, rubbing on carpet. It will make electrostatic.
Yeah, you can rub on carpet and you can also have the static.
Thank you.
Anyone else want to come up? Oh, okay. Dashna is here. Hi, Dashna. We just come up. Use the same link just now.
What?
Hello, teacher.
That's
Yep, D.
Hi.
my head.
Hey, how are you? Hi.
Hi. Dah potong rambut dah, Haris.
Dah.
You have cut your hair, Haris?
Yes.
Saya tak lagi.
Okay, anyone else want to come? Okay. Mute your mic, everyone. There's a lot of feedback. Anyone else want to come? We earn if we want to. Oh, we earn is here. I'm sorry, I did not see we earn. We earn, open your camera. Okay. All right. Okay, now you can unmute yourself. Gan, I tried to let you come up, but it says your device is not connected.
Hello.
Okay, everybody say hi. And anybody can print screen, take a selfie.
Hi.
All right, good to see all your smiling faces. Good job.
Why you wearing what you wearing?
Yes.
Oh, look at we What happened to you, we All right, that's all for today. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.